In a shocking case from Odisha, a 19-year-old college student was allegedly gang raped near a beach in Puri district. A manhunt was underway for one more person in connection with the gang rape of a college student. The police have already arrested 3 people and a manhunt is now underway to track down others involved. The incident happened near Bali Harichandi temple in Brahmagiri police station limits around noon when the woman and her male friend had gone to spend some time. A group of local youths reportedly clicked their pictures, shot videos and demanded money. When the two refused, police said 2 men from the group raped the student while others tied up her male companion. Though the crime occurred on Saturday, the survivor filed an FIR only on Monday evening after recovering from the trauma. She has since undergone medical examination, Puri SP Prateek Singh confirmed. Senior BJD leader Sanjay Das Burma, the former MLA of the area, attacked the BJP-led government in the state over the incident, saying that the government should ensure proper security of the Bali Harchandi temple and its surrounding areas, which is a popular tourist spot. In a similar incident, a college student was gang raped at the famous Gopalpur beach in Ganjam district on the 15th of June, and 10 people were arrested in connection with the case. Let me quickly go across to my colleague Sabya Sachi. He joins me live with more details on the same. Sabya, absolutely shocking case there emerging from the holy land of Odisha. In the latest, a 19-year-old college student has been allegedly gang raped near a beach in Puri district. What's the latest that you can share with our viewers?
Well, the SDPO, the Sadar SDPO has confirmed that the crime has been committed by 2 accused. Now, in total, 4 people have been arrested so far in the case. Now, the accused who had recorded the video of the victim and a male friend when they were at the Bali Harichandi beach, famous tourist spot in Puri district. Now, the accused have deleted the video footages. Now, the police have sent the mobile phones to the forensic lab in Bhubaneswar to retrieve the footages. Meanwhile, the investigation is on in this matter. Now, the incident happened on Saturday when the victim and her male friend was present at the Bali Harichandra beach in the Puri district when these 2 accused were present over there, and they started recording videos. And when the male friend intervened and questioned them that why is they recording their video, then a scuffle broke out and they started assaulting the male friend and kept him as hostage and then took turns to rape the victim. Now, on Monday, a complaint was filed in this regard, but the victim, because of social stigma, did not file an FIR, but after counseling from the female police officers, she registered an FIR, and immediately the Puri police arrested these 2 people first, and later the other 2 people have been arrested. But the SDPO has confirmed that the rape was committed by the 2 people, and their names has not been disclosed by the police. But it's a shocking incident that has come out from the state of Odisha, and this is not the first incident that has happened in the last few months. Several such incidents has been reported from the state. In the month of June, a 20-year-old female student was raped by 10 people at the Gopalpur beach, once again a very famous tourist spot in the state. And last week, a female was arrested in the state capital in Bhubaneswar. See, time and again, whether it is the Congress or the Biju Janata Dal, all of them have been raising this issue that the security for women in the state and the law and order situation in the state has collapsed. And also during the assembly session, we had seen that both the opposition parties had been carrying out continuous protests demanding credibility from the state administration and the state government that they need to step up as far as the law and order situation is concerned, because such incidents are happening from famous tourist spot in the state, which really raises a lot of question as far as the law and order situation is concerned.
Sabya, you know, like you said, that this comes barely weeks after the Gopalpur beach case. Are we now sort of seeing a disturbing pattern of such crimes emerging at Odisha's tourist spots?
Well, that's right. See, the Gopalpur incident happened in the month of June when the victim along with her male friend was present at the beach when 10 people gathered over there, started recording their videos, and the male friend had a scuffle. They started assaulting the male friend, held him hostage, and then took turns to rape the victim. And similar incident has now been reported from Balihari Chandi, which is another very famous tourist spot in the Puri district as well. See, another incident which has been reported last week from the capital when a female had been drugged and then gang raped in the state capital. So within a matter of few months, there has been 5 to 7 cases of rape which has been reported from the state, and the opposition has been raising question, that the opposition has been demanding credibility from the state government. See, on one hand, the state police has been very much active in apprehending the accused, because on Monday the FIR was registered and by a night all the accused were behind bars. But the law and order situation needs to be questioned. The security arrangement, the safety protocol in these famous tourist areas need to be questioned, that why isn't the state government, after one such incident, has stepped up the security in these famous tourist area which has been visited by a large number of people. So why such incidents are kept on happening from the state? So these are the answers which the state government need to provide, whereas they have said that nobody will be spared in the case, but definitely the credibility lies with the state government, and they have to step up the security in these tourist areas.
The government is, of course, should ensure proper security at the Balihar Chandi temple and across various tourist spots. And this is what, the BJD leader there, Sanjay Das Burma, has also said. But, taking the story forward here, do tell us, Sabya, how has the government really responded to this latest incident?
See, the government has directed the police to arrest all the accused as soon as possible. See, the police have arrested total 4 people in this case, and the police have confirmed that 2 people out of the 4 has committed the crime, and the state administration have stated that nobody will be spared in this case. Now, the similar kind of statement was also made by the state government back in the month of June when this incident happened, and the fresh rape case that happened from the capital, Bhubaneswar. But no strict action has been taken, or no strict measures have been taken from the state administration to make sure that in future no such incident happened. See, because in the past we had seen that both the Biju Janata Dal as well as the Congress party has been continuously protesting in the state assembly. The state assembly was not able to function properly because of the protest, and the opposition were continuously demanding credibility from the state government, that certain measures need to be taken by them to provide security to the people who visit these tourist areas, and this sort of incident can't be repeating again and again and again. See, this is not the one-off case that has been reported from the state. Time and again in the last few months, several such cases have been reported from the state, and the state administration clearly have failed to provide security. So what they need to do is that in these security, in these tourist areas, they need to intensify the security, need to deploy the police personals and guards to make sure that no such incident happened. Everybody visit this tourist spot with safety. So these are some of the questions which the state government needs to answer, not just merely making some sort of statement.
Right. Thank you very much, Sabya, for joining us with all of those important insights.